Hello and welcome to Promenade Française. Welcome back. This is video number 3. We're going to continue with our study of indirect object pronouns, and we're using the verb souhaiter. Let's jump right into it because this is actually quite a long exercise. If you jump into page 10 of what? Page 10 of exercise 4a. Where's exercise 4a? It's in the Google Doc. Where's the Google Doc? It's in the blog article called Under Construction. Where's the blog article called Under Construction? It's on the website called promenadefrancaise.com. So jump onto the website, go into the blog, find Under Construction, go down and click the Google Drive link, and this is on page 10. Good. So in this is quite a lengthy exercise. There's 2 parts. It's called indirect object practice. The first table is called singular subject pronouns. Now, what I mean by singular subject pronouns is, well, let's just look at them. So we're looking at the first column, and it says à qui subject souhaite une merveilleuse journée. Okay, and who do subject souhaite une merveilleuse journée. So let's jump through. Let's look at all the questions first. The first question is à qui je souhaite une merveilleuse journée. And who do I wish a marvelous day? Answer: I wish. And then that's the place where I can wish who? I can wish, I guess this is the columns. All right, so I wish me, meaning myself. I wish te, you informal. I wish lui, him and her. I wish ce. Okay, so there's a gray spot here, which means that when we say myself, we use me. Je me souhaite une merveilleuse journée. Next is je vous souhaite. So the vous is also important because vous can either be vous formal, which is just singular, or vous plural, which is like you guys. I wish you guys a marvelous day. And then the next, it's also plural, and the last one is also plural. Leur, meaning a group of men or a group of women. And finally, nous, that's us. All right, so that's our plan today, is to get through this exercise, and particularly to understand why are some of these boxes grayed out. All right, let's jump down to the next column. In this column, it says that Madame Marot asks, Marie answers. The reason that we're doing this is because you can see the question, à qui tu souhaites une merveilleuse journée? So it's Madame Marot. She's older, wiser. She owns a flower shop. It's a character from the book Greetings in French Part 1, and you can also get that book on Promenade Française and the audio files that go with it, so you can listen to the conversations in French. And it's not my voice, it's a French speaker's voice. All right, à qui tu souhaites une merveilleuse journée? And who do you? So Madame Marot asking Marie. So Marie answers, je me souhaite. I wish myself. And then look, column number 2, it says Marie is answering Madame Marot and must use the formal you. Because Madame Marot, she's looking up and saying je, I mean te. You can't say te. I have to say vous. Je vous souhaite une merveilleuse journée. All right, let's go down to the next box. Obviously, you can go through all of those on your own. I would suggest you can write out the sentences, or you can just go through this activity with your French tutor and just have the practice to be able to go through each of the sentences and practice using the different object pronouns. À qui il souhaite une merveilleuse journée? So who does he wish a marvelous day? He wishes me, te, you. And look, in the next one, it says a different person. So if you say il lui souhaite, it means that he, one guy, is wishing he, another guy. Il lui souhaite. Or if you say il se souhaite. So in this case, it's himself. So it's the way to say lui, but himself. Il se souhaite. And then it just continues the same way as before. Il vous, meaning he wishes you. formal, or he wishes you guys, a group, or he wishes them. Il leur souhaite une merveilleuse journée, or il nous, he wishes us. Okay, so there's one extra line here. That's just to help you as you go through the exercise so you can see the indirect object pronouns. All right, elle is exactly the same. Il me souhaite, she wishes me. Elle te souhaite, she wishes you. Elle lui souhaite, so she wishes her. Il lui souhaite, or il se souhaite, she wishes herself. Il vous souhaite, il leur souhaite, il nous souhaite. It's all the same. Next, it's à qui vous souhaitez. So in this case, we're still using a singular subject pronoun. And this is when Marie is asking and Madame Marot is answering. So Marie asks using the formal you. And who do you wish a marvelous day? And you can see also the verb is conjugated differently. And so that's why we have this grayed out section where like under vous, under you. So as far as you formal, it says Madame Marot is answering Marie and uses the informal you. So she's going to say, je te souhaite. But if she's like you guys, like to a whole big group, then she's going to say, je vous souhaite. All right, let's go to the plural section. In the next section, we have plural subjects, meaning when it says à qui vous souhaitez, it's like, and who do you? Now, it means like you guys. So like, let's say I'm the speaker and I'm saying it to a group of people. And who do you guys wish a marvelous day? And so they can't use the singular me. They can't say, we wish me. We have to use the one at the end, the nous. We wish ourselves. Nous souhaitons. We wish ourselves. And so if you look at, there's two grayed out sections because where you're going to use nous for ourselves, plural. If it's just me and I'm asking the group, who do you wish a marvelous day? And then the group says, we wish you. So you, the speaker. So maybe they're using the respectful way to say vous. We wish you. Nous vous souhaitons. You, singular. Or maybe it's like, we wish you, our leaders. So it's plural. Next is à qui nous souhaitons une merveilleuse journée. And who do we wish a marvelous day? So again, we don't use we me, and we don't use we se. We use we nous, ourselves. Nous souhaitons. Now, in this case, like, they're not talking to, like, the person who says, who do we wish, is part of the group. So the group is not going to answer, we wish you, because the you, in this case, it's like we're asking ourselves. That's why there's so many boxes that are grayed out in this one. All right, so then the last two boxes are this à qui il souhaite une merveilleuse journée. It sounds just like the singular, but in this case, we're actually using plural. So themselves, in this case, it's just like lui, because we're going to say ça, il se souhaite. And also just like he asks her or she wishes her, we're also going to use leur as another group. Il leur souhaite, they wish them a marvelous day, or elle leur, they wish them. All right, so good luck with that exercise, and that's it for indirect object pronouns.